Hey, Chef K. It's stacked enchiladas. We're gonna put a little bit of oil in a pan and get it hot. We're gonna take our corn tortillas and cook them. Just a little bit, not much. We don't want them to get crispy. We want them to stay soft, so you really just want to get them started and take them out. Drain them a little bit, put them in a paper plate. Just stack them up. We're gonna lay these out in the casserole pan here in a minute. I'm gonna grate some cheese. You know, I like grated cheese. I don't like bagged cheese. I don't like the powder on it. It melts weird. There's our grated cheese. There's our red sauce, Salsa Roja. That's homemade. I made that. I will put that at the end of the video. I have a video for that. So if you'd like to make your own, you can follow my video, or you can use the canned. We're just going to layer this up. We put some salsa in the bottom, some red sauce in the bottom. We put a layer of tortillas, about 6 in the 9x13. Layer of ground beef, some onions, some cheese. Pouring on some more of the red sauce. Going to put a little can of Rotel. This is just the medium Rotel. Now we're going to go in with another layer of the tortillas, 6 of them. We've cooked those just enough to get them greasy and soft. They're not crispy. Another layer of that ground beef. It's 2 pounds of ground beef. You want to cook it up and chop it fine. Season it with salt and pepper. I don't put any other kind of seasoning in the meat, just salt and pepper. Chop it up fine. I'm going to go in with some more onion. It's a 3-layer stacked enchilada, so we're going to do 3 layers like this. Going back in with our sauce. Here comes our 3rd layer. Laying down the tortillas, ground beef, last of the onions, last of the ground beef. And here comes the last of the red sauce, the Salsa Roja. Like I said, you can use the can type if you want. If you'd like to use my recipe, it's really good, and I'll leave a video at the end of this video so you can watch it. Going in with our last layer of tortillas. Some cheese on top, top it off. I like black sliced olives. You don't have to do that if you don't want, obviously. I like it, so I do. Put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350. Check on it after 30. You may want to go a little longer just to brown it up. And there it is. And let it set for a little while, 15 minutes. Thanks for watching.